Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady, and this is my wonderful co-host, Jules.
Hi, everyone. Today we are looking at two very tricky words. They both talk about limits, conditions, and things that might happen in the future.
Oh, conditions and limits. What are the mystery words today, Jules?
Today we are tackling unless and until. Learners confuse them all the time because they both start with the letters UN and they both restrict an action.
Let's start with unless. That is spelled UNLESS. It acts as a conjunction.
Exactly. Unless means except if or if not. It gives a condition. A simple rule of thumb is to replace it with if not in your head to see if the sentence makes sense.
Let's imagine you are going to the beach for a nice, relaxing picnic, but the sky suddenly looks very dark and windy.
Oh no, a beach trip with a thunderstorm is the worst. We really want to go, but we need to make a strict rule about the bad weather.
Right. So you tell your friends, we will go to the beach unless it rains.
Perfect. Now let's look at until. That is spelled UNTILL. It can be a preposition or a conjunction.
Until means up to a certain point in time. It is all about time, not a condition. Let's go back to our beach picnic scenario.
Well, it actually started raining, so now we're stuck inside the car just watching the water hit the windows.
But we're not going home yet. You say, we will wait in the car until the rain stops.
Here is the common mistake we see all the time. A learner might say, I will wait here unless you come back.
That sounds very strange to a native speaker. Because you're talking about waiting for a specific time, you need until. You should say, I will wait here until you come back.
And if you mean a condition, you say, I will leave unless you come back. That means if you do not come back, I will leave.
Here's a simple memory trick. Unless has two S's, like the word stress. Think of a stressful condition. If not this, then that.
I really like that. And until has the letter T, which stands for time, up to that time.
Now it's your turn for homework. Write 2 sentences in the comments below about your weekend plans. Use unless for a condition and until for a time.
We love reading your brilliant examples, so don't be shy about trying.
Your English is getting stronger every single day, so keep practicing. We won't stop making videos until you feel completely confident.
See you next time on Mady English Practice.